we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on profile here options. You come to next step here, you come here to correct to initial here capitals, clicking this sign. Like you see this color for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.